And you've never sort of, after The Fly, you never done another, like a studio project. I mean, you flirted with Total Recall. And
Yes, I've flirted with Hollywood many times, actually. I think the most recent one was, I was going to do a Robert Ludlum spy novel called The Matarazzi Circle, and I wrote a script for it. And this was for one version of MGM, which keeps reinventing itself. And I talked to Tom Cruise. He loved the character that I had created for him. And Denzel Washington, met him. He was very interested, and it would have been Tom Cruise, Denzel Washington in The Matarazzi Circle. And it would have been, I think it would have been a terrific movie. I don't know what actually might have happened with those guys on the set, whether, I just don't know. But I was curious enough, and if you're going to do a movie like that, you know that you are going to have to give up some of the things that you're used to, like total, absolute creative control, which is what I would have on most of the movies I've made. In return, you would get a big budget, you would be paid more money yourself, and you would get a major release of the film in more theaters than you'd ever had before. And I've talked to some directors who've done that. Some of them had the best fun that they ever had in their lives, and others had the worst, most horrific, traumatic experience in their lives, so you don't really know what would have happened. In any case, MGM went bankrupt. And so that ended The Matarazzi Circle. So it wasn't even my fault, and it wasn't their fault, not directly. And yes, I mean, Total Recall, I was very interested in doing that project. And I wrote a screenplay. I wrote actually 12 drafts of that screenplay. And eventually, one of the producers, Ronald Shusett, said to me, "You know what you've done? You've created the Philip K. Dick version of the movie." And I said, "Well, yeah, I mean, he wrote the novel, and isn't that what we're trying to do?" And he said, no, we want Raiders of the Lost Ark go to Mars. I said, well, I wish you told me that a year ago, because then we wouldn't have had to go through this. And I wanted William Hurt to star in the movie, and they ended up with Arnold Schwarzenegger. So that shows you the difference in so-called vision that we have.
did you see the movie?
Yeah, it had one or two moments which were actually taken from my script, because they owned it, they owned my script. They had paid me for it. So I think the best moments in it were actually from my script, and then the rest was terrible. But it was a success. It was a success. I have to admit that.